Hi, this is Muscle and this is Entertainment Report News. Fashion designer Virgil Abloh, who was founder of brand Off-White and artistic director of Louis Vuitton's menswear collection, has died at age 41. Abloh died today from a rare aggressive form of cancer that he had been battling for over 2 years. The news announced via a statement on his Instagram account. "We are devastated to announce the passing of our beloved Virgil Abloh, a fiercely devoted father, husband, son, brother, and friend," said the statement. For over 2 years, Virgil valiantly battled a rare, aggressive form of cancer, it continued. He chose to endure his battles privately since his diagnosis in 2019, undergoing numerous challenging treatments, all while helming several significant institutions that span fashion, art, and culture. In 2018, he was named artistic director of Louis Vuitton's menswear collection, with his first collection revealed during Paris Fashion Week. The following year, a major retrospective of his work opened at the Museum of Contemporary Art, Chicago. Abloh was diagnosed with cancer in 2019, but he continued working at Louis Vuitton and Off-White. Through it all, his work ethic, infinite curiosity, and optimism never wavered, said the statement. Virgil was driven by his dedication to his craft and to his mission to open doors for others and create pathways for greater equality in art and design, it continued. He often said, "Everything I do is for the 17-year-old version of myself, believing deeply in the power of art to inspire future generations." Rest in peace, Virgil. You'll be dearly missed. Please leave a like, a comment, and share this with your friends. Thank you for watching.